Alright, picture this. You are leading a team and your goal is to create the most epic product ever. But there's a catch. Your timeline is slipping, miscommunication is happening everywhere, and the task, they are falling through the cracks. Sound familiar? It's frustrating, right? Let me introduce you to the game changer called Scrum. I am Prashant. I am an Agile project manager with over 15 years of experience. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of Scrum. We are going to know what the Scrum is, where it came from, what are the different roles in Scrum team, tools or artifacts that we use in Scrum, and stick with me, I will show you how the Scrum Board can help keep everything together. So let's start with the basics. What is Scrum? Scrum is a lightweight framework that helps team to collaborate and deliver project more effectively. Think of it as a structure that transforms chaos into clarity. In fact, Scrum is not a new concept. It was introduced in early 90s by Jeff Sutherland and 𝐀𝐁𝐎𝐓. Here's the beauty of Scrum. It's built for speed and adaptability. It helps team to deliver value in short bursts, constantly improving and tweaking things along the go. So let's see how all exactly this works. First thing first, let's talk about the team. There are three different roles in Scrum. Number one, product owner. He's like the visionary of the product. He knows what are the different things which team is going to work on next, which will create maximum value for the business. He's like the captain of the ship who steers the project in the right direction. Next, we have Scrum Master. He is the team coach, protector, and a problem solver. This person helps team to remove all the obstacles which slows the team down. Think of him as a team guardian. And finally, the development team. They are the doer on the ground. They are self-organizing, meaning they know how to handle the task and keep things moving forward. They are like the engine of the Scrum, ensuring everything is going ahead. Now that we have met the Scrum team, let's talk about some of the tools which helps the team to run in Scrum. These are called Scrum artifacts. One of the key artifacts is product backlog. A product backlog is a list of all the tasks which a team has to perform in delivering a product. This is usually maintained by a product owner and these are listed in a prioritized order. Next in the list is the sprint backlog. Sprint backlog is the list of everything what a team has committed to complete in the next sprint. And finally, we have Increment. This is a working piece of product which is delivered at the end of the sprint. So how does this all come together? Scrum works in a short cycle called sprint. These are usually between 1 to 4 weeks. At the beginning of a sprint, team come together for sprint planning, where they discuss what are the things that they are going to achieve in that particular sprint. Every day, team meet for daily Scrum. This is also called stand-up, where team meets for 15 minutes and talks about three basic things. What they have done yesterday, what they're going to do today, and are there any blockers. This keeps a track of what is happening. At the end of the sprint, team meets for two important events, sprint review and sprint retrospective. In sprint review, teams demonstrate what they have achieved in the sprint. And in sprint retrospective, team reflects on what they have done well and what are the things they can improve on. Now let's talk about Scrum Board. It's a visual tool which keeps everyone on the same page. It has columns like to do, in progress, and done. This helps the team keep a track of what is happening in real time. In fact, let's take a quick look at our own Scrum Board for this video. As you can see, the board shows what exactly is done, what is being worked on, and what is left. This is a simple yet very powerful way to see what is happening, what is being done, and keep a track of everything. Now you know the basics. It's time for you to start with Scrum in your own project. If you want to dive deeper and master Scrum, I would highly recommend you to check out StarAgile CSM training. You will find all the details in the description below. If you have enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.